How to make money on Instagram in 2024 to 10 effective ways. Don't simply pass the time on Instagram, turn it into a passive income instead. From selling merchandise to becoming an influencer, you can choose numerous methods to make money on Instagram. To exemplify this, we've selected the 10 profitable examples of brands making money on Instagram to walk you through the opportunities when it comes to selling on Instagram amongst other business ideas. How many followers do you need to make money on Instagram? To calculate your engagement rate, take the number of likes and comments per post and divide it by your number of followers. Ideally, you want to have a 3% engagement rate to appeal to brands for sponsorship. Companies prefer you have a highly active audience rather than a large following that's either stale or inactive, so prioritize building an engaged community. Engaging with your audience and posting high-quality content is what will grow your Instagram followers over time. How to make money on Instagram. 1. Partner with a brand for sponsored posts. One of the most promising ways to make money on Instagram is by becoming an influencer, micro-influencer or nano-influencer. As any of these types of influencers, you will be compensated with gifts or money in exchange for creating and sharing engaging content around a brand or business. These might take the form of sponsored posts, or shout-outs, where you positively shout out about a brand or product on your Instagram account with a story or post. Reels can also now be used to promote sponsored content or include links to your own website and services. Instagram promotion works for businesses due to the highly visual nature of its content. Making money on the platform is all about using this visual impact to maximum impact, while reaching hundreds and thousands of potential customers. To find brands to work with, you can join varying influencer marketplaces, tag the brands you love, or email them directly with an influencer media kit. 2. Get paid by Instagram as a creator. Being a creator on Instagram is not just about the content you publish but also about your relationship with your followers. You should aim to create an Instagram business account for added trust, form a strong bond with your followers and give them the content they want to maximize your earnings. Instagram had this in mind when it created its Live Badges feature, allowing fans to show their support to their favorite creators. Live Badges work like a digital tip people can give to creators during a live stream. To add this feature to your account, go to your profile, click Professional Dashboard, tap Grow Your Business, and select Badges. Once you go live, click on the Badges icon on the left side of your screen and turn them on. 3. Open an Instagram shop. An Instagram shop is a lot like running an online store, except it's all on an app. After creating your shop, upload product images, descriptions and prices of your merchandise. Then users can discover your items and check out without ever leaving Instagram. 4. Become an affiliate marketer. Unlike becoming an influencer and getting paid per post, as an affiliate you get paid on commission. The average affiliate commission rate to expect is anywhere between 5%–30%. Your sales will most often get tracked with a unique promo code or UTM link. On Instagram, affiliate programs often go by the name Brand Ambassador. You can either apply to become one on a company's website or be approached by the brand. In advance, you should know that you can only add product links on the app in your Instagram bio or your story, if you have over 10,000 followers. 5. Drive traffic to your website. 80% of people surveyed said Instagram helps them discover and buy new products or services. Evidently, the more people who see your brand on Instagram, the better chance they will buy from your website. To help you make more money online, you can use Instagram indirectly to drive traffic to your website. With the help of all your Instagram visitors, you can boost sales, grow your email marketing list and expand your loyal community of customers. 6. Offer Instagram marketing services. Are you skilled in Instagram marketing, caption writing or content creation? If so, you might be suited to take on an Instagram freelancing gig. By consulting other companies on improving their Instagram marketing techniques, you can make a nice profit, charging service fees between $20, $50 per hour and even $100 for writing captions. 7. Sell photos, illustrations or digital files. Instagram is all about the visuals, so if you're a designer, photographer or creative, it's time to cash in on your talents. You can sell your photos to other businesses, which is very common in the travel industry, or you can sell your own content, such as prints and illustrations. 8. Offer your audience exclusive content. If you're thinking about creating an online course, Instagram is a wonderful outlet to market it and earn money with each registration. An average individual course can start at about $100, while longer, more intense courses can cost thousands of dollars. 9. Dropship products. When starting a business, a factor that often provides logistical and financial hurdles is inventory. However, you can run a store without ever holding any inventory, thanks to the dropshipping business model. By starting a dropshipping business, you can choose from millions of different suppliers' products such as t-shirts, books, mugs, and pillows. You're set free from the hassle of fulfillment and shipping and get to set your own pricing to maximize profits. 10. Create an Instagram feature account. Instagram feature accounts act as hubs to showcase photos from several different creators within a niche. For instance, a travel page shows images of various top travel bloggers and tags them for credit. But can you make money on Instagram from this type of page? Once you've grown your account to a favorable size, you can offer paid spots to users who wish to get featured on your account's feed or Instagram stories. On average, paid spotlight slots can range from $15 to $30 per post. Other Instagram hubs manage follower loops and, like-for-like, engagement groups and offer VIP paid memberships in them for as high as $20 to $30 per month. Tips to succeeding on Instagram. Pick a niche. Choose a niche to focus on and be an expert in. Regularly engage with others. Build a strong community by often liking, commenting, messaging and sharing other people's content. Add tags. Use hashtags, geotags and tag brands in your posts and across your branded content. Use a multi-channel approach. Be active on other channels such as YouTube and TikTok. Be proactive and resilient. Whichever of the 10 methods you try, take strong action with messaging brands about new partnership deals. Instagram is a great place to build a community of your target audience, and one you can engage with regularly and directly. This can take a lot of time and work to achieve, but a loyal Instagram following is crucial to monetizing your account.